To fix the Snapchat error, oh no! Your account has been temporarily locked. You can try the following steps. 1. Wait for the temporary lockout to expire. The duration of the lockout can vary, but it is typically 24 hours. 2. Visit the Snapchat locked page, link in the video description, to learn more about why your account may have been locked and what you can do to unlock it. 3. If you believe that your account was locked in error, you can contact Snapchat support for further assistance. Here are some common reasons why your Snapchat account may have been locked. You violated Snapchat's terms of service. You used unauthorized third-party apps or plugins to access Snapchat. You sent spam or abusive messages. Your account was hacked or compromised. If you are unsure why your account was locked, you can review Snapchat's terms of service or contact Snapchat support for more information. To unlock your Snapchat account, you may need to complete a security challenge or provide additional information to Snapchat. Once you have completed the required steps, your account will be unlocked and you will be able to log in again. Here are some additional troubleshooting tips. Make sure that you are entering your username and password correctly. Try logging in during different times of day. Snapchat may be experiencing a higher volume of traffic at certain times of day, which could be causing the problem. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Try logging in from a different device. If you are still unable to log in, try logging in from a different device, such as a friend's phone or a computer. If you are still unable to unlock your account after trying all of the above steps, please contact Snapchat support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Subscribe to TechSoar.